to another episode. This one is the Daikoku series, which is exactly where we are tonight. It's a Friday. I normally don't come here Fridays, but if I do, I make sure I come here super early. We're gonna start off with this Gino. This is my friend's Gino, and this guy, something is wrong with this guy. This man, this is the owner. This man told me, how long ago you told me you were gonna do a lifted Gino?
Shit, like 3 months ago.
Like 3 months ago? He was like, I'm gonna build a lifted Gino. Nobody here has a lifted Gino in Japan so far. I haven't seen one. And this man struggled to make this happen, but he made it happen. And I think it's pretty cool. So he did all types of customization on this, coilovers, these humongous LED fog lights, and all types of crazy stuff. And a lot of this man is a nutcase. And then he these usually are on trucks, like those type of trucks, and so he installed these, and these actually work too. So he like pretty much deleted his tail light, smoked it all out, and then these are his brake lights, reverse lights, turn signals. And then I don't actually, what is this top light? The top one.
Oh, that's the brake light.
Okay, this is the brake light. So wait, this is the running light.
This is the running lights.
So this is the running light,
yeah.
Reverse, turn, and then brake light.
Yeah, brake light, yep.
So it's pretty wild, and he threw a roof rack on it, and he wants to throw all his tools and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. We don't have much time before they come, and before people come here and it gets too wild and they shut it down. So drove the 180 today. I really want to drive it, and I've been wanting to drive it on the road, so I'm pretty happy about that. And we just got a bunch of people just rolling in. Beautiful R34 with a crazy rear diffuser, my goodness. But got Cam's JZX 110. This thing is so beautiful. We ended up running into each other at Shibuya in Tokyo, and I didn't get a chance to film it because I was just kind of hanging out. But it's like a beautiful metallic red with these beautiful VS's on here, and my goodness, static of course. Looks really, really good. All stripped out in the rear with a cage and bottom bar. This thing is really, really nice, and it sounds good, and it just looks amazing. Like, it looks so good. Damn, this will be a beautiful daily. But yeah, so got the 180 there. Pretty happy about that. I don't know what's gonna happen tonight. We're probably gonna be out all night. Daikoku series, so we never know what's gonna happen. I don't know. But once we get shut down here, we're definitely gonna go to the next location, which is going to be at Umi, and then we're all gonna hang out there and then see what happens there for the rest of the night. So might come back really late. This is a beautiful EG. You don't really see too many EGs or EK9s here and stuff like that, but this is really nice and it's really clean. I like this. I didn't like EGs when I lived in Jersey, but because everyone and their grandma had an EG bubble. Like, we call them bubbles, right? So everyone had a bubble. But this thing is perfect though. Nice stance, very clean seats, and looks really good. Some more Skylines. But we're gonna go over here to this Stardust Factory FD RX-7. This thing is crazy. Topless FD. My goodness, bro, what do you think about this, bro?
This thing's rad.
This thing is magnificent. Like, Jesus. Damn. And it's kind of like extended over here with this funky looking trunk. I've seen this car only one time, but it does have like this cover that goes over. I can't remember if it's carbon fiber or not, but old style on a power FC, bro. Man, this thing is so good. I love it. Definitely really nice. Definitely worthy of a picture. So yeah, this R32. R32s are still growing on me, man. Like I'm not a huge fan of R32s, but any 32 or any car rather that looks good, and this is very clean, that has bronze wheels on it, it's a plus. Looks like he has R35 kit on it, brake kit, Just the right size wheels to cover the calipers, just clear it. Beautiful Nismo wheels, and this thing is definitely gorgeous. Super clean, all stock, amazing. Just a bucket seat, very good. And this color is fabulous. This is like such a Japanese thing here with these type of exhausts because it's legal. It's a legal exhaust. It's not high pitch, it's not overly loud, but it's just right. And it gives it all the right RB sound. So on the beat, a couple Z's, some Evos. Nice little cappuccino. Listening to Fat Joe lean back in the little cappuccino. Bunch of Skylines here tonight. I'll go over to Celica GT Fastback. This is actually this guy I know, Alex. He did some work to it, and he's still little by little upgrading some things in the car because it is an old car with the scoop on the back. The STO, my goodness.
I didn't think I'd see one of those tonight. All gas cam.
Yes, this is nice. Love the stance on this. Such a 80s vibe. I love it. The two-tone looks really good. I like it. Looks so good. Like, it doesn't get any better than this. This is so freaking good. Yeah. Man, this is such a vibe. Got a little mini chandelier in there. Oh, such a vibe with the like 10-inch wheel. What? Hey, so EK9, since we were kind of on the topic of Hondas. There's a bunch more cars over there as well. Got the Barracuda. Cuda. This is the Gaijin Tune group. So we will continue this in a little bit. Bro, what is happening here? Bro. Alright, so I guess it's time to go. I was busy chatting it up with some rad dudes, people that are visiting here. And so we got the squad. And Hiromi's in the R33, and then Jay's in his S13 or his 180. So I'm gonna hop in my 180, and then we're gonna go to the next spot and chill because they're kicking everybody out. And I'm not trying to get my car inspected. So let's go. So we got a couple guys that are all parked. There we go. Got the 180 here, this 180, and then this 180. All the 180s together. Now that is pretty gangster looking. Yeah, that's pretty gangster. I like that. That might have to be the thumbnail or something. I don't know. But yeah, now we're good. This is Jay's 180. Jay's nice 180 with the cleave wheels on there. I need to get me some cleave wheels.
You should. They're great.
I know, I am.
They're cheap and they're just good.
I actually been kind of talking to him about getting cleave wheels.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, I need like 16 wheels though. You know what I mean, for drifting.
Well, if you want 16, that's the way to go. You know?
Yeah. So I'm gonna need a couple, but
We got me a good deal.
yeah, I'm gonna have to get a good deal. So, and then we have this sick 180, which is owned by him. I invited him to my event, but he actually unfortunately lives really, really far away down in Fukuoka area, so he won't be able to make it. But this thing is really nice. That thing sounds so wild. Look at this beautiful. This thing is gorgeous. My goodness. There's a Lambo ripping. There's an Aventador ripping through the highway right now. Oh my goodness. This looks beautiful. I think this is actually a first gen. Is it? I think it's a first gen with conversion front, like kind of like a GT front almost. It's pretty good though. I like it. Got the bronze. Yeah, buddy.
left.